to shine. Let's brush our teeth and make them fine. Get your brush and stand up tall. We'll learn together, one and all. Step 1, wet your brush. Step 2, a dot of paste, not too much. Step 3, open wide. Here we go. Brush up and down, nice and slow. Step 4, circle round and round. Keep those sugar bugs out of town. Can you brush your top teeth? Yes, I can. Can you brush your tongue too? Yes, I can. Then rinse and spit, then smile bright. Let's brush every morning and night. Brush, brush, brush away. Make those smiles shine today. Up like trees and down like rain. Let's brush together once again. Great job, friends, you did just right. Time to shine with smiles so bright. We brushed together, had some fun. Now our brushing job is done.